In this video tutorial, we'll guide you through adding a text path block to your website. A text path block allows you to curve or shape your text along a custom path. Start by opening the section where you'd like to add the text path, then search for the text path block and insert the aBlocks text path block. It's a simple and creative way to style your text. In the General section, start by entering your text in the title field. Select the path type, e.g., spiral, to define how your text flows. Adjust the path size using the slider, currently set to 250. Finally, choose the alignment, left, center, or right, for your text along the path. Now, let's customize the Style section for the text path block. Toggle this option to display an icon along with the text path. Adjust the starting point slider to define where the text path begins. Use the Rotate slider to rotate the text along the path. Choose the typography settings for the text, such as font, size, and weight. Customize the text color by clicking on the color box. Here a green shade, but you can select any color. Enable text shadow to add a shadow effect to the text for more depth. Toggle text stroke to add an outline to the text. After making all the customizations, click the Save button to apply the changes. Then, preview the page to ensure everything looks perfect. And that's a wrap. You've successfully created and customized your text path block. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design tips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.